Hello everyone and welcome to MotoPup. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the quad lock on your motorcycle handlebar. We're going to do the vibration dampener, the phone case, and the actual mount. So it's also a nice dog toy. It's a bonus. So I'm going to show you guys how to put it on, and all right, she's stolen the show. Let's get started. Show everybody what comes in each box. For the case, I have the 7 Plus, but all the cases are specific to the phone you have. Of course, mine is on here already, but that just came with the case. I got the vibration dampener. And the vibration dampener comes with an Allen key, which is actually really nice. I actually got the black one because I think it comes with a blue one, as you can see here actually. And the actual motorcycle handlebar mount. They make other mounts too, but I wanted to mount mine on the handlebars. And the handlebar also comes with an Allen key and the spacers here. So yeah, then you got some stickers, and then there's the actual instructions. Okay, so the spacer, it's going to come with 2 spacers. One is a 22mm, the other is a 28mm. I know my bike is going to take the thicker spacer. And then we're going to go ahead and put this. So you're going to go ahead and wrap the spacer around your bike's handlebar. And just for reference, I'm doing this on a Kawasaki Z650, so there's very, very limited handlebar space. So I don't know if the quad lock's gonna fit on it, but we're gonna give it a try. Next, you're gonna take this piece out. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this part, just to make it easier to actually mount it onto the... Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and put this piece around the spacer. Now, if you could see in here, the screw is going to go through this. And then we can use the Allen key they provided to tighten it. So next, you're going to connect this piece to this. This piece has teeth here, so you can kind of put it in any position. It'll lock into whatever position you want to put this for your phone. I have no idea where it's going to go yet, so I'm just going to screw it in here. And, you know, screw everything in lightly, and then you can make the adjustments to it. So the last 2 pieces, I have the vibration dampener, and this is optional, but if you love your phone, probably get the vibration dampener. So the vibration dampener sits, you can see it's screw here, got some Loctite on it too, the blue Loctite from the factory, so that's nice. And that's gonna go on top of this piece. And then you actually put the Allen key inside here and then screw it in. and you'll feel it tightening up as you go here. Yep, nice and tight. Okay, and then you see some movement on the vibration dampener. That's exactly what it's designed to do, so don't panic. The last step is to put this, and you can see the little screw there, hopefully, on top of the vibration dampener. So it's just a stacked system. And put that on top, and then you're gonna screw that in. And again, lightly screw in everything, and then you can make adjustments like I've already had to do several times to fit your specific bike. So that is on there. It's on there loosely, and so here's the before mentioned quad lock case. I have the iPhone 7 Plus. When you go on their website, you select whatever phone you have, and they'll send you the specific one. So this should just connect on here. You can see my mirror is almost in the way. I'll probably adjust that. Let me see. And then you hear it snap into place. Ooh. And there it is. Mrs. Motopup's very impressed. So this isn't going anywhere. The vibration dampener is going to make it wiggle, but don't panic. Quad lock assures it's not going anywhere. And then to take it off, you just pull this latch down and then turn your phone. And it's that simple.